Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download all files from your Google Drive. Okay, you can download all files from your Google Drive if you want. So I will show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Google Drive. So guys, here you can see I'm on Google Drive. So here you can see I just click on my drive, and here you can see my all folder and my file. Okay, so you can download everything from here. Okay, or you can also filter particular files. If you want to download only docs file, just select the docs, or you can download, you can see the all docs file visible here. And now can select like this, just hold this is circle, navigate in on the blank area on the top, and just click and hold, and now just drag like this. Okay, so this will be select all files which is visible on page. Now you can download from here, so it will be download to your computer. Okay, you can download easily one by one. Just select the file, click on this three dot option and download. Okay, if you want to select everything from your Google Drive, just come to the my drive. You can also download folder, just select the folder and you can download like this. Okay, so now if you want to select randomly any files and folder, so just hit click the your control key of your keyboard and hold it. Okay, don't okay, just click the control key and hold it. Now you can just click on the folder or file which you want to select. Now you can see I just select randomly 5 folder, and now just click on three dot option and now you can download. Okay, the third option is that you can select everything from your Google Drive, like just hit the control and A to select everything. So it will be select everything, it will be take time. Okay, select one file and control and A. Okay, then you can see all files and folder has been selected. So I have 100 items here which is selected. Now I can download from here easily to my device. Okay, or computer. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.